push button LED power distribution table. Here this is an input device and this is the output device. We connected the power bank to the power distribution table. By using the push button, we can we can on the LED. This is a power bank. This is an LED output. This is an potentiometer input, and this is a power distribution board. We have connected the power bank to the power distribution board using this cable. And this is our LED light. It's in yellow. By rotating this white color piece, we can control the brightness of this LED. The brightness of the light is changing because I'm using this potentiometer.
Subscribe now Naagarjuna Group of Schools.